It's time to save our planet, to save us. This year's Earth Day comes with the theme Restore Our Earth. Now, what is Earth Day? The Earth Day has become one of the most widely celebrated environmental events across the globe. On this day, events are held worldwide to increase awareness and appreciation of Earth's natural environment. Currently, it is celebrated in more than 193 countries each year. The United Nations has designated 22nd April as the International Mother Earth Day. This year, we are celebrating 51st anniversary of the Earth Day. Earth Day is assigned a different theme or area of focus each year. This year's theme is Restore Our Earth. With social distancing still in place for many of us this April, Earth Day has gone digital. Virtual events such as environmental lectures and films will take place on Earth Day. The detailed information we can explore on earthday.org site. Now, how Earth Day has begun? Have you ever wondered how this has begun? The first Earth Day was held on April 22, 1917, when San Francisco activist John McConnell and Wisconsin Senator Gaylord Nelson separately asked Americans to join in a grassroots demonstration when the world was dealing with dangerously serious issues concerning toxic drinking water, air pollution, and the effect of pesticides. More than 20 million Americans stepped outdoors and protested together. Since then, Earth Day is celebrated each year on 22nd April. Started in a single country, but soon the concept grows and popularized globally. And now, Earth Day is celebrated by 1 billion people in more than 193 countries. Earth Day is something the entire family can celebrate together in a variety of ways at home and in the community. Of course, the social distancing doesn't mean that you can't go outside and enjoy nature. As long as you do so responsibly, nature is not cancelled. Plant a tree. This is the great way to teach our children about importance of trees. Planting a tree together can help restore the balance of the ecosystem and create a lasting memory for you and your family. Stop using pesticides and chemicals in the garden. Go for organic fertilizers instead. We can help our pollinators. We can use renewable sources of energy wherever possible. Save electricity. Save water. Always remember 3 R's: reduce, recycle, and reuse. Pick up trash. One of the best ways to connect with the earth is through cleans up. Go on a walk with a trash bag and help to clean up any plastic or trash that you can find. Keeping the park clean is great for the environment and it makes the park more enjoyable for kids to play in. There are various ways to celebrate Earth Day, not only on April 22nd, but every day of the year. Keeping the environment clean, safe, and enjoyable for all of its inhabitants is a full-time job that anyone can participate in. What ways will you be celebrating Earth Day this year? We would love to hear from you in comments below. Keep our earth clean and green. Take responsibility, be responsible. Thank you.